the creation of the ALBA. Globalizing the solidarity for a better world. For me, these ones are the words to characterize one of the most important alliances for the Latin American and Caribbean people, chained for the true union between peoples, where the progress made jointly in terms of cooperation through the social mission, health, education, childhood care, farmer care, indicate that we are in the right way. Time will show we are right.
On behalf of La Solidaridad, the Filipino solidarity with the peoples of Latin America and the Caribbean, I join you in celebrating the first decade of ALBA. We pay tribute to its founders, former President of Cuba and Venezuela, Fidel Castro, and Hugo Chavez, as we celebrate the consolidation of their people's solidarity and unity under ALBA. Inspirasyon ng ALBA, hindi lamang para sa mga Pilipino, kundi sa buong mundo. We condemn the U.S. intervention, aggression, and dirty wars of the United States against the people of Latin America and the Caribbean. We are one with ALBA in defending and carrying forward the gains made by our peoples against imperialism. ALBA is truly your America, as Asia will be our Asia. We congratulate you, we celebrate with you, and we stand with you. Down with U.S. imperialism, long live ALBA, long live international solidarity. Al pueblo unido jamás será vencido. The people united will never be defeated. Maraming salamat at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Lisa. Mabuhay ang ALBA!
Patuloy natin ang laban hanggang sa ganap na tagumpay laban